Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Trino Federation in Joins tutorials, full guide step by step clearly. To begin subscribing to Trino Federation, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Trino website. Locate the Federation section on the home page. Click on the link to access the Federation page. Read through the information provided about Trino Federation. Ensure you have the necessary prerequisites, including a Trino installation. Download the latest version of Trino if you haven't already done so. Install Trino on your system by following the provided installation instructions. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt. Access the Trino configuration directory on your machine. Edit the config.properties file to set up Federation. Add the connection details for the various data sources you wish to access. Make sure to specify the necessary parameters such as the data source name, URL, and any required authentication credentials. After saving the configuration file, start the Trino server. Monitor the server logs to confirm that the Federation setup was successful. To test the connection, open a query client. Run a sample query to access data from one of your federated sources. Check the results to ensure everything is working correctly. If the queries return expected results, your Federation subscription is successfully set up. For further learning, explore the tutorial section on the Trino website. Select a tutorial that interests you. Follow the tutorial steps closely to enhance your understanding of Trino Federation features. Experiment with different queries in your Trino environment for practical experience. Utilize the community forums for any questions or additional support. Keep your installation updated to take advantage of the latest features and improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.